Hello traders, and welcome to Trading the Trend. I am Dennis, and this is my weekend look at the market trends. And let's jump right into it. S&P 500, and you can see we've had a nice uptrend. It started at the beginning of 2016, and this thing has just been non-stop to the upside. Had a few pullbacks, a little sideways action for the past month, but you can see breakout move this past week. Nice green candle. We made it out of this consolidation box we were in. Not a lot of volume, so that's a little concerning, but right now it just looks like this market just is ready to move higher. Any pullback, any down week is a buy-in opportunity. Dow 30, same situation. We were in that consolidation box. We break out this week, so we'll look for continuation on that. The NASDAQ, consolidation box, but we didn't break out. The NASDAQ has been the weaker of the majors. NASDAQ 100, same situation, but I would look for these to head higher and probably will overtake the S&P and Dow once this thing starts moving higher. Next area I wanted to look at is oil, and as you can see, oil was back up a little bit. You know, we've been watching for this line at $51, and we keep trying to get above it, and then it falls back. And right now we're just in this trading range between about 41 and 51, and we just can't seem to get away from there. We've spent a lot of time in this area over the last 3 years now. So looks like we're trying to make another run up there towards the $51 area. We'll see if we can get there, but as of right now, we're range bound. This market really isn't going anywhere as far as oil. One market that is moving, and then it's not in a good way, is the cryptocurrencies, and here's Bitcoin. As you can see, it's another big down week, and this chart only goes through Friday, so it doesn't have what's happening right now on Saturday. And I can tell you, Bitcoin has taken another tumble, and it's now below $2,000 as I'm recording this. So the cryptocurrencies continue to have a major correction. We'll watch them and see where they finally land. Impossible to tell, but it's kind of a history with this product. As if you back up, you can see we had the big parabolic move way back here in 2013, and then it gave a good portion of it back before we had this latest parabolic move. So don't be surprised if this thing makes it all the way back down to $1,000. Anything's possible in this very volatile market, which is the cryptocurrencies. Next thing I'm going to look at is the commodities. Let's look at our gold and silver. We'll start with gold, and we did finally get an up candle, pretty much a reversal of the prior week, but we did stall out right at the 40-week moving average. But this gold market just isn't, it's getting a lot of back and forth movement where we're not really doing a whole lot. Look at silver, reversal candle again. It's looking very weak. I mean, we definitely are making lower highs since we made this high up here in the middle of 2016. You know, it's definitely been in a downtrend since then, even though we had some rallies. Gold miners, same situation, just not a whole lot of, oh, that's the wrong one. We want the gold miners. There we go. Not a whole lot of action here, and it's still making lower highs. So even though we had an up candle, I wouldn't get too excited until we can establish some kind of a trend. Another area of the market to look at is the dollar index. And you can see US dollar has been weak. I think this is where we began the year at, and we just continue to move lower. You know, a good down candle again this week, so no change there. US dollar remains weak, and I will talk more about this as I do a separate video for the for the Forex currencies that I'm looking at. And with that, I will say goodnight, and hopefully everyone has a great weekend, and I will catch you later.